Imagine waking up every morning feeling stronger, more energized, and ready to take on your day without constantly worrying about losing muscle as you age. Today, we're diving into a powerful topic that could completely shift how you approach aging and wellness. We're revealing the top 7 foods that help stop muscle loss, also known as sarcopenia, and support long-term strength and vitality. If you've ever wondered why your muscles seem weaker over time, or if you're simply looking for natural ways to rebuild and preserve your strength, this video is just for you. These foods aren't just nutritious, they're game changers for your body. But before we jump in, take a second to tap the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Doing this helps you stay up to date with the latest in healthy living and shows us that you're serious about investing in your health. Your support motivates us to keep bringing you the most practical and effective wellness content out there. In this video, we'll break down each food from number 7 all the way to the number 1 pick. Every item comes with simple, clear tips to help you add it to your routine. Whether you're new to clean eating or just want to fine-tune your nutrition, you're in exactly the right place. Let's get started on your journey to stronger muscles and a healthier future. Number 7, quinoa. Coming in at number 7 is quinoa, an ancient grain that's earned its superfood status for a reason. This tiny seed has been a dietary staple in South America for centuries, but in recent years, it's gained worldwide popularity, and for good reason. Despite its small size, quinoa delivers big on nutrition, offering a rare plant-based source of complete protein that contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs for muscle repair, growth, and recovery. Unlike many other grains, quinoa stands out for its high protein content, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to support lean muscle mass, especially as we age and naturally start to lose muscle over time. It's also rich in fiber, which plays a vital role in digestion and helps maintain longer-lasting fullness. That feeling of satiety not only supports weight management, but also ensures you're less likely to overeat, key for keeping your metabolism balanced and your muscles protected. Quinoa is also packed with iron, magnesium, zinc, and B vitamins, which contribute to energy production, muscle function, and tissue repair. Its low glycemic index helps regulate blood sugar levels, keeping your energy steady without the crashes associated with refined grains. One of the best things about quinoa is its culinary versatility. Its light, fluffy texture and mild, slightly nutty taste make it a great base for all kinds of dishes. You can use it in grain bowls, salads, soups, or even turn it into breakfast porridge. It also works perfectly as a gluten-free alternative to rice or couscous, adding both texture and nutrients to your meals. Whether you're prepping meals for the week or cooking a quick dinner, quinoa makes it easy to nourish your body with the fuel it needs to stay strong, toned, and resilient. Add it to your weekly rotation, and your muscles will thank you, bite after bite. Number 6, Greek yogurt. At number 6, we've got Greek yogurt, a deliciously creamy and protein-dense superfood that does more than just taste great. What sets Greek yogurt apart from regular yogurt is its unique straining process. This method removes excess whey and water, resulting in a thicker texture and nearly twice the protein content, which is essential for muscle repair, growth, and overall recovery, especially after a workout. One serving of Greek yogurt can contain up to 20 grams of high-quality protein, giving your muscles the amino acids they need to heal, strengthen, and rebuild. That makes it a smart choice not just for athletes, but for anyone aiming to preserve or build lean muscle mass, particularly as we get older and muscle naturally begins to decline. Beyond protein, Greek yogurt is also an excellent source of calcium, which plays a vital role in maintaining bone density and enabling muscle contractions. Without enough calcium, your muscles can't function properly, and that affects everything from daily movement to overall strength. And let's not forget about the probiotics. These beneficial bacteria help maintain a healthy gut, improving digestion and allowing your body to better absorb the nutrients you eat. A healthy digestive system means you're making the most of all the vitamins, minerals, and macronutrients you consume, especially the ones your muscles depend on. What makes Greek yogurt even more appealing is how versatile it is. You can enjoy it straight from the container, mix it with fresh berries, stir in chia seeds, or drizzle it with raw honey for a touch of natural sweetness. It's also a great base for smoothies, parfaits, or even used as a creamy topping for savory dishes like chili and tacos. Adding Greek yogurt into your daily routine is one of the easiest ways to fuel your body, protect your muscles and bones, and promote better gut health, all in one tasty, convenient food. Whether it's breakfast, a midday snack, or post-workout recovery, Greek yogurt brings the nutrients your body needs to stay strong and energized. Number 5. Salmon. Holding strong at number 5 is salmon, a flavorful and nutrient-rich fish that does far more than just please your palate. When it comes to supporting muscle health, salmon stands out as one of the best foods you can add to your diet. It's an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential fats your body can't produce on its own. These healthy fats play a key role in reducing inflammation, easing muscle soreness, and accelerating recovery after intense exercise or physical activity. If you're someone who regularly hits the gym or stays active, salmon can help keep your muscles functioning at their best by decreasing post-workout pain and allowing for faster muscle repair. But its benefits go way beyond omega-3s. Salmon is also loaded with complete, high-quality protein, offering about 22 grams of protein per 3-ounce serving. That means it provides all the essential amino acids your body needs to repair, rebuild, and maintain muscle tissue. This makes it ideal for preventing muscle breakdown as you age and for supporting lean muscle gains over time. And there's more. Salmon delivers a powerful dose of vitamin B12, which helps with energy metabolism and nerve function, both crucial for muscle coordination and strength. It also contains vitamin D, which supports bone density and helps regulate calcium absorption, ensuring your muscles contract efficiently. Add to that selenium, a mineral that plays a role in muscle performance and immune defense, and you've got a true powerhouse on your plate. What makes salmon even better is how easy it is to prepare. Whether you like it grilled, baked, broiled, or pan-seared, salmon fits effortlessly into a healthy weekly meal plan. You can pair it with roasted veggies, serve it over quinoa or leafy greens, or flake it into a salad for a quick, muscle-boosting lunch. By including salmon in your regular meals, you're not just enjoying a delicious source of lean protein, you're actively supporting your muscles, bones, and energy levels with every bite. It's a simple, satisfying way to keep your body strong, resilient, and ready for whatever comes next. Number 4. Eggs. Landing at number 4 on the list are eggs, a true powerhouse when it comes to supporting muscle strength, recovery, and overall health. Often referred to as nature's perfect protein, eggs are one of the most complete and affordable sources of high-quality protein you can find. Each large egg contains around 6 to 7 grams of complete protein, meaning it delivers all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to rebuild and repair muscle tissue after exercise or physical activity. But the benefits of eggs go far beyond just protein. They're also a natural source of vitamin D, which helps maintain strong bones and supports muscle contraction by aiding in calcium absorption. Without enough vitamin D, your muscles may feel weak and your bones become more prone to injury, especially with age. Eggs are also rich in vitamin B12, a crucial nutrient for energy production and nervous system function. When your body has enough B12, your muscle coordination and performance improve, helping you stay energized and active throughout the day. Add in selenium, which supports immune function and muscle metabolism, and choline, which aids in nerve signaling and helps maintain a healthy brain-muscle connection, and it's easy to see why eggs are such a nutritional standout. One of the best things about eggs is their versatility. You can enjoy them boiled, poached, scrambled, fried, or mixed into an omelet with veggies for added nutrients. They're also perfect in meal prep, easy to store, quick to cook, and adaptable to virtually any meal of the day. Whether it's breakfast, lunch, dinner, or a snack in between, Eggs deliver the nutrients your muscles need to stay strong and resilient. And let's not overlook how budget-friendly they are. For just a few cents per serving, you're fueling your body with premium protein and essential vitamins that help preserve lean mass, boost energy, and enhance muscle performance. No supplements required. So next time you're planning your meals, crack a few eggs into your routine. Your muscles and your wallet will thank you. Number 3. Spinach. Taking the number 3 spot is spinach, a dark leafy green that does so much more than just add color to your plate. It delivers serious muscle-building nutrition in every bite. Often underrated, spinach is a true nutrient powerhouse, packed with key vitamins and minerals that directly support muscle function, strength, and recovery. Just 1 cup of cooked spinach provides over 100% of your daily vitamin K, crucial for maintaining strong bones and joint stability, which are essential for powerful muscle performance. It's also rich in vitamin A, important for cell growth and tissue repair, and vitamin C, which plays a role in collagen production, immune defense, and reducing inflammation, all vital for recovering from workouts and staying active. Where spinach really shines is in its magnesium content, a mineral critical for muscle contraction, nerve signaling, and energy production. Without enough magnesium, you may experience muscle cramps, weakness, or even fatigue. Add to that a strong dose of iron, which is essential for making hemoglobin, the protein that carries oxygen to your muscles, and you've got a leafy green that directly fuels physical performance and endurance. Another bonus? Spinach is loaded with antioxidants such as lutein, zeaxanthin, and quercetin, which help protect muscle tissue from oxidative stress and free radical damage, especially important after intense workouts or long periods of physical activity. These compounds reduce inflammation, allowing your muscles to recover faster and stay in peak condition. And let's not forget the fiber. The high fiber content in spinach supports gut health, improving nutrient absorption and keeping your digestive system working smoothly so your body can efficiently utilize all the vitamins and minerals you're consuming for muscle repair and growth. Incorporating spinach into your meals is both simple and versatile. Toss it into salads, smoothies, scrambled eggs, soups, or stir-fries. You can even sneak it into pasta sauces or protein bowls for a hidden boost of nutrients. Whether raw or cooked, spinach is an easy win for your daily diet. By adding spinach to your routine, you're not just eating more greens, you're actively supporting your body's ability to build, protect, and maintain strong, resilient muscles, one forkful at a time. Number 2, almonds. Coming in at number 2 are almonds, a crunchy, satisfying snack that delivers powerful benefits when it comes to building and protecting muscle strength. While they may be small in size, almonds are a nutritional powerhouse packed with everything your muscles need to thrive, from plant-based protein and healthy fats to vital micronutrients that support recovery and performance. Each ounce of almonds provides around 6 grams of protein, making them a reliable source for supporting muscle repair after workouts. This protein helps rebuild tiny muscle tears that occur during physical activity, contributing to stronger, more resilient muscle fibers over time. And thanks to their naturally occurring essential fatty acids, almonds also help regulate inflammation, reduce muscle soreness, and promote faster healing between sessions. But almonds don't stop at just protein and healthy fats. They're also rich in vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that protects muscle cells from oxidative stress and free radical damage. This is especially important after intense physical activity when your muscle tissue is more vulnerable to breakdown. Vitamin E works as a protective shield, minimizing inflammation and preserving the integrity of muscle fibers. Another major benefit lies in almonds' high magnesium content. Magnesium is a key mineral for muscle contraction and relaxation, playing a direct role in preventing cramps, reducing fatigue, and ensuring smooth nerve-muscle communication. Without adequate magnesium, muscles may feel weak or tight, and your body may struggle to recover efficiently from exertion. Beyond muscle health, almonds provide a quick, natural energy boost, thanks to their balanced mix of protein, fiber, and healthy fats. This makes them a perfect pre-workout snack to fuel performance or a post-workout option to support recovery. They also promote satiety, helping you manage your appetite and maintain a lean body composition, crucial for supporting and preserving lean muscle mass. Best of all, almonds are incredibly versatile. Toss them into smoothies, sprinkle them over salads, mix them into yogurt, or simply enjoy a handful on their own. However you eat them, almonds offer a simple, delicious way to nourish your muscles and boost your body's ability to stay strong, flexible, and energized. So, the next time you're craving a snack, reach for a handful of almonds. You're not just curbing hunger, you're investing in long-term muscle performance, recovery, and strength. Number 1. Chicken breast. Topping the list at number 1 is the unbeatable chicken breast, a lean, powerful source of high-quality protein that's earned its place as a top-tier food for muscle growth and recovery. Whether you're building strength, maintaining muscle mass, or simply aiming to fuel your body with clean nutrition, chicken breast delivers exactly what your muscles need to perform at their best. A single skinless, boneless chicken breast provides around 26 grams of complete protein per 3-ounce serving. That's a hefty dose of essential amino acids, which are the building blocks your body uses to repair and rebuild muscle fibers after intense physical activity. This makes chicken breast an ideal post-workout option, helping to reduce recovery time and support lean muscle development. What sets chicken breast apart is not just its protein, it's also remarkably low in fat, making it a smart choice for those pursuing a lean physique or managing their weight without sacrificing muscle support. It helps provide the nutrients your body needs without excess calories, allowing for better body composition and sustainable fitness results. In addition to protein, chicken breast is rich in B vitamins like niacin, B3, and vitamin B6, which play a vital role in energy metabolism. These nutrients help your body convert the food you eat into usable energy, ensuring your muscles are fueled during workouts and recover efficiently afterward. Vitamin B6 also supports proper nerve function, which is essential for muscle coordination and contraction. Chicken breast is also a reliable source of selenium, a trace mineral that supports thyroid function, immune health, and cellular repair, all of which contribute to overall muscle maintenance and resilience. On top of its nutritional profile, chicken breast is a culinary chameleon. You can grill it, bake it, roast it, stir-fry it, shred it into salads, or slice it for wraps. The possibilities are endless. Its mild flavor makes it an easy, adaptable protein to incorporate into any meal plan without getting bored. By making chicken breast a regular part of your diet, you're giving your muscles a steady supply of the nutrients they need to stay strong, recover faster, and perform better day after day. Whether you're an athlete or just focused on staying fit and energized, this lean protein remains the gold standard for muscle-focused nutrition. We're truly grateful you spent your time with us today exploring these powerful tips. Thank you for watching. We hope the insights shared here offered both practical value and fresh motivation as you take steps toward building stronger, healthier muscles. Remember, progress doesn't come overnight. It's the small, consistent choices in your routine that lead to major changes in the long run. If this video helped you or gave you a new perspective on how to improve your health, go ahead and hit that like button, share it with others who could benefit, and make sure you're subscribed to our channel for more simple, science-backed health advice. Your support helps us keep delivering content designed to uplift and empower your journey. Stay focused, stay consistent, and keep moving toward your health goals. We'll see you in the next video. Keep striving for that stronger, more vibrant you.